Sometimes I go dey wonder for people. Lolo, una no Lolo Bakara wife show Belle when e take born. Say make we see as Belle come business when e take born many children. People dey laugh and say why she go show am. Even some women dey DM her. Ah, you are a disgrace to women. Some men say she for your show akpekus now. Make we say as akpekus be this that, you know. I no understand una o. If person don born, Belle, even my Belle, not be say e be o, but as I start to dey born pikin, Belle don change. Stretch mark, different things for your Belle. Kudos to some women wey no dey get stretch mark for Belle. So if she show am, I don't see anything wrong there. She know the kind beautiful children will come out from them. You know, at make some of una get sense. Make some of una get sense when I go sleepy. Shall be so that they laugh her. Say as a Belle be. Say as a Belle be. A Belle not dey okay. She for not show am. No. She for not show am. Not be picky when he born. I make a Belle be like that. Then make her like when she show one small girl. Say, make that one small girl. Make that one show her Belle. That one show you. Yeah. That one Belle, you get the way you never born pikin, eh? You understand? If she don't born, her Belle go change. That's how they be. So I like what she talk. Say she will continue to show am. You know, she will continue to show am. Muna go cry. Why una go come the body shame her now? Say her Belle not dey okay. Now pikin when she born, I cause am. Don't be so her Belle fair be. Mona lessons, Mona guess sense. I beg, ma put the video Mona see.
I made a video concerning my tummy. This tummy you're looking at. You don't get waiting on no talk. Women were coming to my DM. Well, why will you show that? Men, in fact, I don't want to talk too much. Let me just show you something. I want to show you people that you are hypocrites. Hypocrites, that's what you wanna be. Come along, dear sister. Oh yeah, show us your tummy. Okay. Should be two of us stand like this now. If to say my belly day like this, you know go look ugly for your eyes. You know go look irritating. You know go look somehow. If to say that this belly, where this girl stand, carry so, 9 days for here, as I do this video, una no go say, Lolo, why are you showing all this kind of thing? It will look okay, right? Yeah, this is what you have to deal with when you have children. Now, waiting motherhood they carry come. Now, it be this, yo. See this one. My dear, slide out. Don't worry, you understand what's happening here very soon. But for now, take a bow. They go with your flat belly. So, before you come for me, in fact, I saw one grandfather, some old advanced people that should have sense, carrying ring light to sit down and talking about, they told me that has betted 4 stars, 4 people, 4 children. I will never be ashamed of my scar. I will show it over and over and over again. Yes, I will show her because it gets some of una way they craze. They not children are well. Now the same belly where your mama take born you, now you use your 2 eyes or polo eyes. Open your dirty mouth. They talk nonsense about. Ha! May God forgive you. When you finish watching this video, go and say, oh Lord, I'm sorry. Go just hide your face for one corner and say, Lord, I'm sorry for being a silly human being. Yes, I will show my tummy. You're not the one that will dictate to me how to act with my body or not. As long as I say, now Belle Abi, I go show him. I'm very proud of it. It is Mother's Day today. Women, mothers, I say make I call jiggy jiggy. May we celebrate them. You understand? I'm coming a little late, but better late than never. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful women out there. Wonderful mothers who wear their hearts on their sleeves. Do you know what it means to have your child running around you? They go to school, they come back, you don't know what's happening out there, praying all the time. You don't get any mama with head correct when they pray past 25 times in a day. If your heart just strike, oh God, protect my child. If your heart just hit, oh God, please protect the father of my children, preserve him, oh God, may this my business not sink, so I can provide for my children, oh God, make my pikin no carry sickness, oh there is no time your heart is not racing. There is no moment. I don't think any mother, there is any mother that is sane. All of us are half mad, oh. Half mental, close to madness 9 days. So when you see a mother, clear road, you know, say your papa. I say we don't send your papa.